Welcome to Take a Look at channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change DNS on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. Then just open up Control Panel. From here, you want to go to Network and Internet. From here, you need to go to Network and Sharing Center. Then you want to go to Change Adapter Settings. Now, I'm using Ethernet, so I have Ethernet here. If you're using Wi-Fi, you'll find that. Just double click on it. Now, as you can see, it is sending bytes and receiving bytes as well. That means the internet is working here. So now click on Properties. From here, go to Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Then click on Properties. From here, just select Use the following DNS server address. And here, you can put your preferred DNS. I'm gonna put 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server as 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. Then click on Close. And the DNS server has been changed. And that is how to change DNS on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.